Welcome back to Ebonyi People TV. Today we are diving into a topic that hits home for many of us. What Igbo men truly appreciate in Igbo women. What are those qualities that Igbo men look out for in Igbo women? It's a blend of culture, values, and personal traits that define relationships in our vibrant Igbo community. So grab a drink, settle in, and let's explore these beautiful qualities together. First off, let's talk about respect and family values. In Igbo culture, family is just everything. Igbo men highly value women who respect family traditions and actively participate in family gatherings. It's about more than just blood relations. It's about the bonds that tie us together as a community. A woman who embraces and honors these values shows a commitment to the family unit, and that is incredibly attractive. Next up is education and intelligence. Nowadays, many Igbo men admire women who are not only educated but also articulate. A woman's intellect can spark meaningful conversations and contribute to a balanced relationship. Whether it's discussing current events or sharing ideas, having a partner who can keep up mentally is highly valued in Igbo women. Moving on, let's discuss the importance of being supportive. In our culture, partnership is key. Igbo men appreciate women who cheer them in their careers and ambitions. This kind of support fosters a strong bond, making both partners feel valued and empowered. Now, let's get a little personal. Culinary skills. Traditional cooking holds a special place in Igbo culture. Many men appreciate women who can whip up delicious Igbo dishes. It's more than just cooking, it's a way to show care and nurture family ties. So, whether it's jollof rice, pepper soup, or the famous ofada rice, a woman's ability in the kitchen can go a long way. Physical appearance and femininity are also significant. While beauty is subjective, Igbo men often appreciate women who take pride in their appearance, blending traditional styles with modern fashion. Confidence plays a huge role here. Embracing your unique beauty is what makes you stand out. Let's not also forget cultural heritage. A deep appreciation for Igbo traditions, language, and customs is incredibly attractive. Women who can engage in cultural practices, tell stories in Igbo, and pass these traditions on to future generations are highly respected. It's all about keeping our rich heritage alive, right? Now, strong moral values matter too. Integrity and honesty are qualities that many Igbo men admire. A woman who stands firm in her beliefs and exhibits a strong moral compass is often seen as a suitable partner. It builds trust, which is foundational in any relationship. Let's also talk about independence and ambition. Many Igbo men appreciate women who are self-sufficient and have their own goals. A woman's drive and ambition can complement traditional roles and inspire a balanced partnership. It's all about working together towards success. Finally, let's touch on that affectionate and caring nature. Warmth, care, and affection are qualities that resonate deeply. Igbo men often seek partners who can express love within the family unit, creating an environment of support and nurturing. In summary, these qualities contribute to the admiration and affection that Igbo men have for Igbo women. It's about building strong relationships rooted in mutual respect, love, and a shared appreciation for our culture. So what do you think? Are there any qualities you believe should be added to this list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content from Ebonyi People TV. Until next time, keep celebrating our rich Igbo culture. Bye for now.